So for the few of you that read my column know that the Bertram 28 has a special place in my heart, but unlike the one that's under a tarp in my driveway right now, this one is ready to rock right now. Mercury outboards. This is the first dual console from Bertram, and what this really says to me is how much emphasis the builder is putting on their center consoles and now the dual consoles, which are seeing a bit of a day in the sun. We're seeing a resurgence of dual consoles from a number of different brands. And I look around this boat, I just think of a really fun, family-friendly day boat. Things like you have a cooler, refrigerator, grill, really all the essentials. Nice seating to watch, as my friend Jeff would say, likes to watch the baits, or we fold it down for a sun pad. Again, for a 28-foot day boat, there's a lot of smart versatility built in. Easy access to the head, essential on any day boat. You got a smart helm with the joystick. Nice seating and storage. Actually have a lot of storage under here. I imagine it's a good place to drop all your water toys and all your accoutrements for a day at the beach. Again, I've been a real sucker for the Bertram 28 in the past, and I think given a little time and maybe an extended rental, I think this is a boat I could also learn to love. Stay tuned for more on the Bertram 28XC in an upcoming issue of Power Motor Yacht or at pnymag.com.